Today's mission, catch something for fish tacos for dinner. But instead of fishing in a boat or off the bank like I'll usually do, I'm using my kayak for probably like the second time in 3 years. First, we need some bait. And that's what we're using, some yabbies. Usually what I'm looking for with these is I try to come in as far as I can from low tide where there's still water. So, but yeah, often what I look for is one of these. This is where like a stingray sat before. They like flap out the sand and pull up any yabbies. Pretty much like what I'm doing with this pump. So this one, there's some new holes here, so hasn't, like, it's not fresh stingray thing. And there's a few holes around it, so they're just generally what I look for, because a stingray usually knows where something is. So there you go, there's a couple. And then just move your way around. I don't really bother with the really little ones. And I can guarantee while you're doing this, you'll have some really annoying friends. Them, and them. And they're really loud. Alright, let's see how we go with that. Not too many, but if we get absolutely smashed by them, we can smash with them. We can come back and get a couple more, I reckon. So I've just got a little cooler there for any fish. There's a bottle of water in there. I've just pulled out a ginger ale. And then a little tackle box, tiny little anchor and rope, which there's only just holding me, to be honest. Oh, and then obviously my yabby pump, and then camera gear, but that's it. Yeah, you don't need that much to go do it. It's just a matter of getting out. Yeah, it's always really easy to fall into that trap of, oh, I don't have all the UV stuff. So, like, yeah, there's definitely things that'll make this easier, but I'm out here and I'm fishing. Alright, I might try this corner. This looks alright here. Looks like it drops off there. Oh, stingray. Yep. Little whiting baby, maybe? Not very big, whatever it is. Oh, no, baby. Man, any smaller? Goodness me. We're out here catching sardines. Yeah, go get your dad. Tell you what though, even though we're not catching too much yet, it is an absolutely beautiful day. Like, it's overcast, waters are clear though, birds are chirping, the creek's really flat. Just beautiful, man. Where would you rather be? Oh, she's pregnant. Oh, damn. Now if I drop you in, you're probably gonna die, love. Ah. Oh, best of luck.
You need the boat to tow it in.
Yep.
Is it that big?
It's massive.
All good. Alright.
Whoa! Oh.
What'd you miss one?
I think he took everything. He did. You're kidding. Oh, that would have been a flathead. That just sat there and then took off.
Yeah. Well,
Or a stingray. Probably a stingray actually. So maybe I'm glad I didn't get it that close. But that is just bad rigging. That's not even like... Yeah, that's just me. Can't tie knots apparently. Please don't be a stingray this time. There we go. Oh. I got one. I did. I can't tell with this, with mono line. Look at that. It's very pretty. I don't know where to hold these, that's why I'm holding them like that. Well, definitely not what I was after, but he was cute. He will not go on a target. But I got one. Little one, but it's coming. We're still catching babies out here. Oh yeah, nearly had a bait too. Look. It's a good looking baby primrose. Just can't catch the absolute slob of a whiting that I want. But hey, I'm having fun. All little stuff apparently. And the babies. Alright, well, nothing's really happening out here anymore. The fish aren't even really biting. The whiting win today, I think. So it looks like chicken tacos for me, I guess. But hey, I had fun, and if you did too, consider subscribing. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.